In this video, I'll teach you how to change the default color used for highlight filtering in Microsoft Project. Whenever I teach a Microsoft Project class, and I introduce the subject of highlight filtering, there's always at least one student who will ask, Dale, is there any way to change the color used for highlight filtering from yellow to something else? Well, of course, if you've been watching my videos, you know there's a way to do this, and in this video, I'll teach you how to do it. So let's get started. In this project, I would like to use a highlight filter to identify every task assigned to a team member named Terry Euland. First of all, here's how to do that. To apply a highlight filter, click the View tab to display the View ribbon. Then click the Highlight Pick List button and select the filter of interest. In my case, that would be the Using Resource filter. When I select that filter, it displays the Using Resource dialog, in which I can select the name Terry Euland in the pick list. When I click the OK button, look, all the tasks assigned to Terry Euland are highlighted with the yellow cell background coloring. This allows me to identify where in the project Terry is assigned to work on tasks. Second, how can we change the color for highlight filtering? Here's how. Click the Gantt Chart Format ribbon tab to display that ribbon. Then click the Text Styles button to display the Text Styles dialog. In this dialog, click the Item to Change Pick List button and select the item on the pick list called Highlighted Tasks. Now you can very clearly see that highlighted tasks have the cell background color of yellow. To change that color, click the Background Color Pick List button and choose some other light color. How about I choose orange, lighter, 80%, a nice light orange color. When I click the OK button, now highlight filtering uses the light orange color instead of the yellow. Well, let's try it one more time. Let's go to the View tab, and let's choose the Using Resources filter. And this time, let's look for work assigned to Sarah Baker. I'll click the OK button. Now let's scroll down, and there it is. There's the light orange color used to identify the tasks assigned to Sarah Baker. Well, now you know how to change the default color used for highlight filtering in Microsoft Project. If you found this video to be helpful, I'd be grateful if you'd give it a like and if you'd share it with your friends and colleagues at work. If you have a question or comment, please do drop it in the comment section below and I'll answer your question right away. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel already, again, I'd be grateful if you do that, and be sure and click the notifications button as well. And as always, I'll see you in my next video.